show you exactly how deep this is. As you can see, the snow, it's got to be close to 3 feet deep, and there's absolutely no way we're going to be going anywhere for at least a day or two. This is amazing. I don't know what else to say. I've never seen anything like this. Now I gotta try to get back over to Nick. I didn't really think this through too well. They were able to shovel us out just a bit. This is just drifting snow on this side. This is kind of the stuff that they snow blowed, and even with that, there's still at least a foot on the ground. I really don't know what to say about this.